Uncle, I won't tell you. Well, when I teach yourself, come and senior prophet. James Kofi was so abandoned. Waba about the cancer. Yaba Nakaba. Joseph was saying today. Also, Joseph Mensa brother. Yamana Kopa. Joseph Mensa. And yet today, Yamana Kopa. Appointment. East Legon, CEO, Tracy Boateng, Yamana Koba. Mami Tiwa, also about the cancer. Yasapo, Asma Fopa, Tiwa Yaba, also nation. A statement, surely. Nabi Oshra, Honorable Julius Deborah, now on the youngest regional minister. The youngest regional minister, Honorable Dr. Frank Amwakwine. The hard-working chairman of all chairmen, chairman Augustus Nanakwasi, chairman Augustus Nanakwasi,